This is our Tesla's Queen's co-driver. No massage is fine. I found out today that this Queen is so hot and muggy. So you guys, have you ever left a stain like this on a Tesla? If Tesla has the option, it's not a lot of people will choose a ventilated seat. So now I'm telling you for a few $100s. And you can achieve this effect on a hot summer day. Model 3 and Model Y seats. No ventilation function. After a long driving trip, the back of my seat is like this. Before summer arrives, I have tried a variety of seat ventilation solutions, selected a number of similar products. The program to remove the seat to change the original car circuit. I can't accept it. Finally, I think this memory sensing developed specifically for Tesla ventilated seat cushion. It is recommendable. First of all, its appearance. It is designed according to the original Tesla seat style. In your pad after the original factory original appearance exclusive car. One of a kind in the market. However, the material of its leather. Also based on the original Tesla seat artificial leather. Antibacterial and formaldehyde-free leather manufacturing. This antibacterial material is resistant to yeast, Staphylococcus aureus, etc. Then this is what gives you comfort while more health protection. Secondly, we have to mention the core fan of the ventilation point and the internal structure. So before we talk about this, let's take a look at. The market sells 500 or 600 ventilated cushions. See, the internal structure is a printed windshield. Then add a few more motors to give you blowing. Then this simple structure. There will be two fatal disadvantages. The first, to sit on such a board. Your comfort, your experience will be very poor. The second, fan is simply blowing air. Ventilation is not ideal. Then we go back and look at the fan of this Tesla special ventilated cushion. Isn't it very different? He made a hidden external aluminum fan box, and using the same suction design as many original ventilated seats. Small noise and large air volume and clever design. Can also directly hide the fan in the seam of the seat backrest. The air guide layer also uses the latest Japanese multi-fiber 3D air guide sponge, soft and compressive with good wind conduction. Can also design the cushion very thin, does not affect our sense of sitting. Nearly 3,600 air guide holes. The air conducting sponge can be used to remove the air from our otherwise non-breathable back. The hot air smothered in the hips is quickly sucked away. In addition to this, for the comfort of use, also added a gravity sensor at the bottom of the cushion. Then with it will turn off the seat ventilation function within 3 seconds after getting off the car. Of course, it turns on automatically when you get in the car. And installation and removal and our ordinary seat almost the same. The location of the power takeoff is in the cigarette lighter of our armrest box. One can be connected to each side. 24 hours online response. So do you want to cool off a little?